Hey guys, we're going to analyze the Nifty Futures chart in the hourly time frame. We will answer the only two questions that matter to traders: when to buy and when to sell. We are performing a price time cause and effect analysis using our proprietary trading system, Prime Case. Our points of causation are August 11th, 11:30 a.m. for support levels and 16th August 10:30 a.m. for resistance levels in price and time. From these two origins in price and time, we will identify our support and resistance levels for Monday, August 23rd. Last Friday, Nifty Futures opened below our resistance and attempted to climb above support, but was rejected repeatedly around the 490 level, and finally closed at 420 in the final hour of trade, below a critical support level. Now let's determine what our support and resistances are for Monday, the 23rd. Our first support is at 365, while first resistance is at 480. Our second support is at 325, while our second resistance is at 535. If Nifty can close above 535, our second resistance, we could see it test 600 on Monday. However, if the second support breaks, which is at 325, Nifty will signal a back test of 16,000 level in the following sessions. So let me repeat that, folks. For Monday, our first support is at 365, while our first resistance is at 480 rupees, while our second support is at 325 and our second resistance being 535. Closing above 535 will propel Nifty to 600 on Monday. In the bullish scenario, however, in the event that Nifty closes below 325 in the hourly, we could backtest 16,000 in the coming sessions next week. Okay, folks, that's all I have for today. Happy trading. See you in the next video.